Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the iPhone Air. Yeah, first of all we will need the settings for, so check out here this symbol with the gear wheels in it, the gray one here, tap it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General. It has a gray icon in front with the gear wheel. Now you need to scroll down to the point Language and Region. It has a blue icon in front with kind of a word. Tap it. And now you will have on top here the languages. And maybe you're having here a list, like in my case with Deutsch, so German. And if your language is part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, then go here at the end with the 3 lines, hold them and swipe it on top. Then just confirm here on continue, so the written word, and then the phone will change the language here to yours. In case if you don't have a list or if your language is not part of that list, you will need here the blue letters. So to add a language, tap here, and now you can choose from many languages. And yeah, some languages supports also local dialects, like here English with the dialect of Australia or India. Yeah, let's take maybe English with the dialect of Australia. So greetings, by the way. And then tap here now the first point again to confirm it. Now use English with the dialect of Australia. And then the phone is setting up the language here. And then we will have here now English with the dialect of Australia. Or in your case, your language. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give this thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.